Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the part. Once you've taken the piston out and stabilized it, score the ring's top edge with a small carbide cutter. This breaks the hard seal without cutting into the piston. Use light, controlled passes and keep the tool perpendicular to avoid gouging. You do this because the ring usually bonds from heat and carbon. Scoring lets you create an entry point for leverage. Make sure the cut goes only through the ring material, not the piston land. Once the score is visible, you insert a thin pick or feeler to widen that groove to about 1/8 of an inch. This gives you room to get gripping tools in. Next, use ring pliers or flat needle nose pliers to compress the ring and twist outward slowly. Twist, don't yank, so the ring unhooks from the piston groove. Pause often to remove carbon flakes. Once the ring moves, continue incrementally until it clears. This controlled approach prevents chipping the piston land and keeps you finish by thoroughly cleaning the grooves with a plastic scraper and solvent so new rings seat properly. If the ring refuses to budge, rescore slightly deeper, apply a little penetrating solvent and let it soak. As a last resort, warm the piston briefly with a torch to expand metal. Do this carefully and evenly. Once removed, inspect for scoring. If visible, hone or replace the piston. Finally, install new rings, check ring gap, and reassemble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.